How to change Spotify profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide you through the steps on how you can easily change Spotify profile picture. Well, the process is simple and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the Spotify application. Now, if you're using Spotify mobile, it is particularly easy. But if you're using the desktop version, you might have to navigate through the couple of options as well. Simply tap on the profile icon once you open up the Spotify mobile, and here you can see the view profile option from the left side pop up. Tap on view profile option, and under your profile there, you should be able to find the edit option. Tap on edit and proceed to edit. Along with your profile picture, the default profile picture, you should be able to find the pencil icon. Tap on it and you can see you'll get the option to change profile photo. Under it, you can either choose from library or you can take a photo as well. So I'll choose to keep or upload from library and choose a certain picture. Once you have the picture, you can simply tap on choose once you crop it and proceed to save it. Tap on save here at the top right corner and your profile picture should be changed and saved. This is how you can change Spotify profile picture. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.